I got some training video on this, right?
Hey, Vanderjam, this might be deeper than you are in college. You can walk through over there.
Stand on someone's shoulders.
Is the water cold?
Play bank.
Woo! That's your feet.
They're cold.
Look at my shoes and squirting.
Oh, my shoes. My shoes are choked and my chocks are all wet. Oh, shit. Oh. Alright. Oh, look, a bridge.
Oh, look.
Where did that come from? That must be EOD.
They walk down further.
Hey, we should have just took that bridge.
There's a bridge there? Dude, there was a bridge there last night.
Hey, Wayne. I guess it didn't matter that your fucking thing broke.
What thing broke?
Your hose.
Oh yeah, water broke.
You're gonna get wet anyway.
Yeah, man, fuck my life.
I feel like I'm still walking through water.
Yeah.
I mean, seriously, I could shake it.
Hi, bitches.
I think I'd took a deep.